Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nuria. Today I'm going to share with you my own personal experience how I built problem solving skill. The most important thing that helped me is I stopped asking some things for help. Literally, I stopped asking for help on some things, and I did it on purpose because I wanted to rely on myself. So let me tell you in detail. I was working for a company, a big company, information security company. So I was working in the engineering section, which involved mostly software development. So I was, as a beginner employee, I was overwhelmed, frustrated with debugging, with learning too many codes, with trying to understand so many tools, Word and Excel and so on and so on. And boy, it was very frustrating experience. So that's the time I started looking for something. So I decided to do everything on my own, the things that I usually do. So I started first with improving my debugging skill. So what I did was, since debugging was making me so much frustrated, staying the whole day for a comma or for semicolon, imagine, I was getting overwhelmed, feeling so bad. But then I started copying the error, going to Google, searching. I found a lot of forums. I found a lot of communities that helped. It felt easy. So feeling part of a larger community, being part of a larger community made me feel, okay, I'm not alone. There is some source of help out there. So outsourcing, going, searching there. And then from that, I made it, I had a shift in mindset that I became consistent around, like, I got, grinding, like, I lost the English word, like, I just said to myself, no, this one, until I finish it, there is no quitting. There is no quitting. Until I find the answer, there is no quitting. So I'm going to keep on searching until I find it, until I fix it. So that habit, it started building another confidence. So now I said, okay, let me fix my laptop myself. I started learning about it. Let me install my laptop myself. Instead of asking the company software team to install for me, I started installing my own softwares on my computer, on my personal laptop. I started, and then that grew into learning about, like, some faults with my phone. And then anything goes wrong on my laptop, I just go on YouTube, learn about it, and fix it. I stick. Is that easy? No. Like, you'll fail when you want to install an operating system, Windows, for example, on your computer, on your laptop. You'll fail. The first video may not help you till the end. So do you stop? No. You go for another one. You continue looking for a better one until you do it. This greeting gives you confidence. And also another things you can do is find a passion. Like, learn something you like. And if you don't know what you like, you can just grab something, maybe art, maybe painting. Try, go on YouTube, learn something. Again, finding a passion, something you like, and learning about it. You know what I found on that, from my own experience? In the beginning of learning anything, I felt stupid. I felt like there's a feeling like that wants me to quit. Boredom. But during those times, there is something that helped me stick. And that is being consistent around that, doing that skill that I want to learn. And appreciating, encouraging myself, like painting. I learned to paint, for example. henna. I learned to paint from YouTube. So when I was doing it in the beginning, it was funny, but I kept on saying to myself, I can learn this. If I persist, I can learn this. So I started doing it. In the beginning, like after like 1 month or something, I felt bored, but I still continued. So I turned it into another YouTube video, learning about it, practicing, and then little by little it got better. So now when you improve on something you are learning, through the process, you feel confident. Now once you start feeling confident, you're not going to stop. You're going to continue. So but the times you feel you want to quit, there are things you can do, and that is being soft on yourself, taking care of yourself, going for a break, inviting yourself something you like, refreshing your mind, and then start over. Be gentle with yourself. It's very important. You can become excellent at anything by beating yourself up, working hard, but a life living like that life is a life wasted, because you are hurting yourself. Stress, there are a lot of studies, they say stress causes a disease. So don't stress yourself too much. Be gentle with yourself, be kind with yourself, make the learning process fun. And when you take care of yourself, you will understand that learning is not easy, that you are now accepting yourself, that it's not been easy, but you will allow yourself to feel whatever it is and still do the thing you want to do. I hope you have found something valuable from my personal experience. Thank you for watching.